Menina, what we have today in the channel?
Today we have a permanent hair removal system.
Yes, let's begin now. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from Media Box ENT. Okay, Menina, give me some good details about the laser remover.
Okay, this one is a permanent hair removal system. It's safe, gentle, effective with no side effects. The same IPL tech that is used in salons.
Yes.
It has 5 levels to be used based on your skin type. It's suitable for your whole body. Please make sure you wear your professional protective glasses.
Oh, yes.
So what you have to do is place the product vertically against your skin.
All right, so let me plug in. So can I show what we have first inside? So
Yeah.
we have the head remover. We have the glasses
Protective
you need to wear. Also
Shaver.
shaver and full instructions how to use it. And by the way, the power supply. Let me show you. All right, and the power supply is 100 240, so you can use it anywhere around the world. That comes with the power supply as well. So let's plug it in. So power here, as we see in the screen. So soon you plug it in, this will light up and it stays that way. So you need to press power here. So we're gonna press power. Okay, Menina? And then you see the 4 levels, right?
Correct.
So the
Yes, we have
levels,
5 levels.
yeah. Now this is how many clicks, right? Or how many flashes you can go. We have
a lot.
plenty.
They have million, right? Over
Yes,
half
yeah,
million,
yeah.
yes.
Okay, so we see here the HR level. So as we press here once, see it moves up to different levels, all right? So we're gonna go right in the middle. This instruction will show you the pin setup of the skin you have. Now, this is to execute. So we're gonna be putting the glasses because we're gonna be trying this. And now I wear the Men in Black. So what happened is if I press it right here, right now, it's not going to do anything because it needs to be right in my skin. So watch this. I'm going to press it. Let me see if we can see it right there. You see that? It's blinking. Let's shoot this. Boom. Did we see that on the screen? Let's go one more time. Yep.
Wow. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. That's a little warm.
Make sure you do no more than 3 continuous flashes.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I did too. Now, if you need to cool off, right, Menina?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to unplug this. We're going to take this out. And we put this device in. That's a cooling
And
pad.
there you have the cooling plate.
A cooling plate, right. We'll turn it on. Press here. Comes on. It's cool it. In this case, right away, it's only one level. You see that? We see the start right there. And it gets real cold. It feels like you put a piece of ice there. So you can cool off, or you can do the other way around. You can cool off first and then shoot with the laser, or do the right after.